FGSS Turkey was founded in 2011 in the European Free Trade Zone, which is located in Çorlu, Tekirdağ. Here it provides services such as warehousing, laser printing and supply chain management. The shipments arriving in the country are moved to the distribution centre in Bond. They are offloaded, stored, picked and shipped according to the orders received from the manufacturing site. Wireless handheld terminals are used for paperless operations. This eliminates human errors during these processes. Another activity on the site is laser printing of computer components. The production is triggered on demand. Letters, symbols and logos are printed on the components according to the requested language and layout. Load balancing, workload optimization and error management methods are used, and productivity is monitored continuously. FGSS Turkey also performs testing, screening, rework and simple repair activities for computer components in its ESD-compliant workspace. Top-level security features are in place on site, and therefore FGSS Turkey is certified for TAPA A-level security. FGSS Turkey has ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 13485 quality certifications. Continuous improvement and lean principles have always been an important part of FGSS Turkey's culture since its conception. In addition to its productivity goals, FGSS Turkey is also aiming to be recognized as the leading company for environmental responsibility in the market.
We regularly emphasize the importance of environment protections to each employee and train them to be a good civilian at their work.
Customers are getting more and more interested in environmental responsibility. It became as a sales tool when we approached to them, and now we have it.
The Natural Resource Consumption Reduction project was selected based on these goals.
We have defined one of our site goals to be recognized as an industrial leader for environmental responsibility. And I don't see this as a company goal only, but a mission for every individual. So we decided to move forward and involve everyone to be a part of this project.
First of all, raw data was collected and analysed in order to evaluate the current status. Opportunities for improvement were defined, and after analysis were ranked for prioritisation. Water, energy and natural gas consumption were recorded in detail on a daily basis to monitor improvements. Rainwater is collected in a pool and water consumption is monitored relative to the weather forecast in order to optimise rainwater usage. The collected rainwater is used for trees in the garden and after filtration as tap water.
We get innovative ideas from our employees while lean corners. They are very important for us. We use all these ideas in our Kaizen projects.
We are working on projects to identify ways and improve our operations with Kaizen tools like Fishbone and Value Stream Map.
A drip irrigation system has been implemented to minimize water consumption for trees. As a result of these improvements, FGSS has made a big step towards a greener environment, in addition to a 22% reduction in water consumption. It is a great environmental initiative to plant the trees with the help of each employee, especially in a dry piece of land as is FTZ. Also, taking care about these trees will require some effort and resources. I was also privileged to put 2 little trees into the ground, and therefore let me express my gratitude for this great opportunity, making me a better man. Big thanks to you guys. After analysing the data for electric consumption, some simple precautions were quickly implemented. Lighting modes have been defined for operational, inactive, daytime and night periods. Employees use small signs to apply these different mode patterns. These improvements have resulted in a 20% reduction in electricity consumption. Natural gas consumption for heaters is measured relative to daily weather temperature to eliminate the seasonal impact. Improvements in combi boiler configuration, re-isolation of windows and deactivation of unnecessary heaters has resulted in a 19% reduction of natural gas consumption.
We have saved 25k USD through our best practices, which has fallen 2% of our yearly total cost, and we are 60 people only. Think about size of employee, more than thousands.
And as a matter of fact, with using Kaizen methodology, we managed to get rid of all the unnecessary consumptions and improve our financial results and efficiency.
Aside from the positive environmental impact, after all these improvements, a $25,000 per annum cost reduction has also been achieved. This is not a bad number for a very small site, and if proportionally compared with larger Flextronic sites across the globe, the cost saving would seem enormous. FGSS Turkey will continue to implement further initiatives using solar panels and other methods for reduction of natural resource consumption. By doing this, FGSS Turkey will not only continue to meet and exceed customers' expectations by reducing operational costs, but will also lead and drive environmental initiatives for a better world.